Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, where today we uncover a truly fascinating piece of numismatic treasure, the legendary UK 2 new pence coin from 1977 with no mint mark. This coin has been catching the attention of collectors around the globe, and for good reason. Not only does it hold historical importance, but it also holds surprising value for those lucky enough to have it in their possession. Now, let's dive deep into the history of this seemingly ordinary coin that has become a symbol of unexpected fortune. The 2 new pence coin was first introduced as part of the UK's decimalisation process, which began in 1971. By 1977, the Royal Mint was producing these coins in large numbers, and while most were standard issue, some stood out because they were struck without a mint mark, making them incredibly unique. The 1977 UK 2 new pence coin was created during a time of transition and celebration. The year marked the Silver Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II, and many coins that year were produced in special commemorative sets. Although the 2p coin wasn't part of the official Jubilee collection, any coin from that year holds historical weight because of its association with the royal celebration. What makes this specific coin so valuable is its no mint mark feature. Usually, coins have tiny marks to show where they were minted, but in some rare cases, coins like the 1977 2 new pence slipped through the system without this mark. This simple omission turns an everyday coin into a collector's dream. But rarity alone isn't the only reason this coin is valuable. The condition of the coin also plays a huge role. If your 1977 2 new pence coin is in excellent, uncirculated condition, the value can skyrocket. These rare examples have been known to fetch between $500 to $800 in private auctions and collector forums. You might be wondering, how can such a small copper coin be worth hundreds of dollars? The answer lies in supply and demand. There are thousands of coin collectors around the world who specialize in UK coinage. When a particular coin is both rare and tied to a significant year like 1977, it instantly gains prestige in the eyes of collectors. Some of the most pristine, proof-condition examples of the 1977 2 new pence coin have even been listed online for over $1,000, depending on the grading and originality. Now imagine, something that could be sitting in your old change drawer might be worth more than a brand new smartphone. What's truly exciting is that many of these coins have gone unnoticed for decades. People didn't realize that a simple coin without a mint mark could carry such value. This creates an air of mystery and thrill for treasure hunters and hobbyists alike. Another reason for its growing value is online exposure and auctions. Websites like eBay have recorded bids going as high as $1,500 for this rare 2p coin, especially when it's graded by a professional service and confirmed to be in brilliant condition. So yes, the maximum value can reach over $1,000, and the right buyer can make that happen. This is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history that links us to the past. From the Royal Mint's production halls to your palm, this coin carries the story of the UK's decimal currency transformation and the Queen's Jubilee year. As you're watching this, you might be getting excited. And you should be. Because you never know, you might have this coin in your old coin jar, tucked away without knowing its value. It's time to check your collections, ask your grandparents, and go through your drawers. The 1977 2 new pence coin isn't just valuable because of scarcity, it represents a moment in time. And coins that carry historical context always hold a special place in the hearts of collectors. The demand isn't going down anytime soon. Collectors often look for details like metal type, coin wear, and edge design. This coin, made of bronze and bearing the crowned portcullis reverse, reflects the craftsmanship of the Royal Mint at the time. But when you find one without a mint mark, you know you've struck gold, or rather, copper treasure. Some of these coins were minted in special sets and may have found their way into circulation by accident. This makes them all the more rare, especially if they weren't supposed to be released publicly. That kind of accidental release is a dream scenario for collectors. The next time you're browsing a flea market or an old coin shop, keep your eyes peeled for this exact coin. It might be sitting in a bargain bin, undervalued by someone unaware of its true worth. That's the thrill of coin collecting. The hidden gems are always out there, waiting to be discovered. To those watching who have a passion for history, heritage, or just love turning small finds into big wins, this coin is for you. Don't underestimate the value of what's in your pocket. With coins like this, the difference between 2 cents and $2,000 is simply knowledge. Now is the perfect time to get your 1977 2p coins professionally graded. A certified grade can significantly increase your coin's market value and help you sell it at its maximum potential. Remember, verified collectors pay a premium for authenticated items. So, if you've got one of these beauties or you're now planning to search for one, you could be sitting on a coin worth up to $2,000. That's not just spare change, that's a hidden jackpot. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family. You never know who might have this coin lying around, completely unaware of the treasure they hold. Let's spread the word and help more people discover the hidden value in their old coins. Next up, the UK 2 new pence coin from 1981 with no mint mark. If you've got this coin, hold on tight. You might just be holding a hidden gem that could soar in value. The 2 new pence coin, introduced as part of the UK's decimalisation, has an intriguing history. Originally minted in 1971, this bronze coin featured the inscription, New Pence, up until 1981. From 1982 onward, the wording changed to simply 2 pence. That small change marks 1981 as the final year the new pence design was used, instantly giving coins from that year special status among collectors. What makes the 1981 2 new pence coin without a mint mark particularly fascinating is its rarity and the historical context of its design. Most standard coins were produced with no mint mark because the Royal Mint in the UK didn't always include a visible one on circulating coins. However, collectors use the term no mint mark to describe coins that are part of rare strikes, sometimes produced under limited conditions or for presentation sets. Yet these coins occasionally end up in circulation. The 1981 2p coin is a standout not only because it represents the end of the new pence era, but also because it holds future potential for increasing value. Coin collectors are always drawn to final edition designs, and this coin's place in numismatic history ensures it won't be forgotten anytime soon. That's exactly why this coin is considered valuable and collectible. Although it may not yet have reached the explosive prices of the 1983 or 1971 rarities, the 1981 2 new pence coin has already been listed and sold online for values ranging between $1,000 to $2,000, depending on its condition. This is just the beginning. Because of its key position as the last of its design, experts believe this coin's value could easily grow over time. Collectors across the globe are keeping a close eye on these 1981 versions. Coins in near mint or uncirculated condition have fetched higher prices, sometimes reaching up to $3,000, especially when certified by professional grading services. These certified grades increase trust and make the coin much easier to sell to serious collectors. The real question isn't whether the 1981 2 new pence coin is valuable, it's how valuable it will become in the future. Because when you combine scarcity, historical importance, and rising collector interest, the value almost always climbs. It's like owning a vintage comic book or a first edition novel. Over time, their worth multiplies. This particular coin could very well rise to become a $4,000 to $5,000 collectible within the next decade, especially if kept in pristine condition. That's why now is the perfect time to hold on to it, or even better, get it graded and preserved professionally. History has shown us that coins like this only get more valuable with age. And don't forget, 1981 was also a memorable year in UK history. It was a time of economic change, social reform, and royal influence. Owning a coin from that era means owning a physical piece of history. It's not just about the copper and the design, it's about the story it tells and the era it represents. So how can you tell if your coin is valuable? Look at its condition. The sharper the details, the more it will be worth. Coins that haven't been exposed to harsh environments or constant handling tend to fetch the highest prices. If your 1981 2p coin has a glossy surface and minimal scratches, you could be looking at a rare piece worth protecting. We've already seen examples of collectors paying premiums for well-preserved 1981 2p coins. On eBay and other collector sites, bidding wars have pushed prices upwards of $6,000 to $7,000, even for coins without official mint marks, just because of the coin's historical design. Now imagine how much it could be worth in 5 or 10 years. As supply drops and demand increases, there's no telling how high the price might go. Some experts are optimistic, suggesting that future values could push past $8,000 for top-grade examples. If you're someone who enjoys coin hunting, this is a coin to get excited about. It's still in circulation in some cases, and many people don't know what they have. That's your opportunity to find treasure where others see just spare change. And for those who already own one, consider yourself lucky. You're not just holding a coin, you're holding a collectible that's steadily gaining attention. This is a moment to act, get it appraised, store it safely, and watch its value rise over the coming years. Coin collecting is about more than money. It's about preserving history and connecting with stories of the past. The 1981 2 new Pence coin represents the final breath of a design that shaped a nation's coinage. Its elegance, simplicity, and link to a pivotal moment in British monetary history make it a must-have. So yes, the 1981 UK 2 new Pence coin with no mint mark is valuable, and it's getting more valuable every year. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this coin belongs in your collection. And if you find one in your change or among your old keepsakes, treasure it. Remember, even the smallest coin can carry the biggest story, and sometimes, the biggest reward. With its unique history and collector interest rising every year, this coin could very well be worth hundreds of dollars down the road. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more rare coin discoveries, and share it with anyone who might have a hidden fortune waiting in their pocket. Until next time, keep looking, keep collecting, and never underestimate the value of what's in your hands.